In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to build a sales pipeline in Pipedrive 2026 step-by-step beginner tutorial. We'll walk through creating a clean, structured pipeline so your deals move predictably from first touch to closed won, and your reporting stays accurate from day one. Start on the left-hand sidebar and click Deals. This is the home base for all your opportunities. If you don't see the sidebar, expand it so you can quickly access the Deals section. The Deals area is where pipelines live, and it displays your work in stages so you can easily spot bottlenecks and prioritize what's next. Once you're in Deals, make sure you're looking at the pipeline view. You'll see columns representing each stage of a sales process. This board-style layout helps you and your team collaborate in real time and understand where every opportunity stands without digging through lists. Now, create a new pipeline. Open the pipeline picker or menu and choose New Pipeline. If you don't see that option, you may need the right permissions, so check with your workspace admin. Creating a separate pipeline is great when you have different sales motions, such as new business versus renewals, or distinct product lines. Enter a clear, descriptive pipeline name. Keep it short, specific, and consistent with any naming standards your team uses. For example, include the motion or region if that matters for reporting. A good name makes it immediately obvious to reps where a deal should live and helps you keep dashboards clean. Next, edit the pipeline to reflect how your team actually sells. Rename the default stages to match your terminology. Reorder them to match the real sequence of work, and remove any that you don't need. Aim for action-based, measurable steps like qualify, demo, proposal, and negotiation, rather than vague labels. If your plan supports it, set stage probabilities to improve forecast accuracy and review any visibility or ownership settings so the right people can use the pipeline. Keep the total number of stages manageable. Too many can slow reps down, while too few make it hard to diagnose issues. When everything looks right, click Save Changes. Pipedrive will apply your updates and take you back to the board with your new pipeline ready to go. From here, you can switch between pipelines using the drop-down and keep an eye on progress as deals advance across the stages you just defined. If something doesn't feel quite right later, you can always return to the editor to fine-tune stage names, order, or probabilities. That's it. Your pipeline is set up and ready for consistent, trackable selling. Keep it simple, keep it aligned with your process, and you'll get cleaner data and more reliable forecasts.